Watch out for L&T in today's trading session. This stock is down by about 6% in the last 5 trading sessions. Well, the company stands to lose about 3,000 crore deal from GMR, as a few days back there were reports that GMR Infra could be terminating its project which was awarded to it by NHAI. And remember, this project was worth over 7,000 crore, but the deal with L&T was for about 3,000 crore. However, the newspaper reports are suggesting that L&T has said there is no formal communication as of now from GMR Infra. Still watch out for this counter in today's trading session, and watch out for United Spirits too, as today Economic Times paper has reported that SEBI has asked Diageo to rework on certain clauses in the agreement. Remember, Diageo has signed an agreement with United UB Group just few months back, and the market regulator has also said that certain clauses which are there in the agreement do not comply with the local regulations, and specifically it has said that it is not in favor of put option which has been mentioned in the agreement. So do watch out for this counter as well. And lastly, keep an eye on stocks like JSW, Kalyani Steel and Sesa Goa, as Supreme Court hearing is scheduled for today for Karnataka iron ore mining ban. Remember, this ban was imposed in mid of 2011. There are expectations that category B mines could be open, and remember, that's a big positive for Sesa Goa, especially because Sesa Goa's mine fall under that category B mines and their operations are completely shut in the state of Karnataka. They have a capacity of around 6 million tons. So in case of any kind of news on that front, would be a big positive for all these stocks.
For small and mid-cap stocks, we always go to Yatin Mohta.
Good morning, Nikun. The first stock to watch out for will be Future Ventures, and they are looking to pick up a 25% stake in Tremode. Now, Tremode is basically a footwear brand which has a strong presence, and this 25% stake will value Tremode at 180 crores. Do remember, Future Ventures is into the business of private equity, and especially they invest in all of these brands, including Biba, which is already in their portfolio. So in order to strengthen their retail portfolio, they are now looking to acquire a 25% stake in Tremode. The footwear market in India is expected to be at around 25,000 crores, and in order to tap that particular large market, this move has been initiated by the Future Group. Let's see how the stock reacts to this particular news bit. On a one-year basis, the stock is up 10%. Coming then to GSFC. And a very important development coming in here, they are planning to invest close to $45 million in Karnatile. Now, this is a company which produces potassium in Canada. So this is essentially a foreign investment made by GSFC, which is a Gujarat government controlled company. After this particular stake by GSFC will be entitled to get the potash supply, which is expected to increase by 70% from the current levels. Under the agreement, Karnatile will supply close to 6 lakh tons of potash to GSFC every year, which will increase their production capacities as well as the total productivity. And because of raw material shortages, they have been facing some issues. So let's see how the stock reacts to this news.